Hi guys, have you ever uploaded a video that you thought was your best work, only to watch it flop? Meanwhile, someone else uploads a simple video and it absolutely blows up, getting recommended everywhere. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what kind of videos trigger the YouTube algorithm to explode your views. And trust me, once you understand this, you'll never upload the same way again. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to this tutorial masterclass YouTube channel. Hit that like button and drop a comment below to share your own YouTube journey. I read every single one. Tease the big picture. The algorithm isn't random. It's like a matchmaking system, connecting your content to the right audience. Clarify what this video will cover, types of videos that the algorithm loves, why they blow up, and how you can apply it to your channel today. Part 1. Relatable and evergreen videos. Evergreen content solves problems people always search for. Examples: how-to tutorials, top 10 lists, or relatable everyday struggles. Why they blow up. YouTube's algorithm rewards videos that bring in consistent search traffic month after month. Story angle. Talk about channels that grew massively with simple tutorials or relatable reaction videos. Think about it. People will always search how to fix iPhone storage issues or make money online. If your video answers that question better than anyone else, the algorithm keeps recommending it forever. Part 2. Emotional trigger videos. Emotional content sparks comments, likes, and shares. Engagement tells YouTube your video is valuable. Examples: inspiring transformations, shocking reveals, funny skits. Why they blow up. High audience retention and interaction. Add quick stats. A video that makes people feel is 3 times more likely to be shared. Part 3. Trending plus timely videos. Jumping on trends, news, viral challenges, pop culture gives you instant algorithm leverage. Why they blow up. YouTube loves fresh, high-interest content. Example: shorts on trending songs or reaction videos to new product launches. Story angle. Mention how small creators went viral overnight with one trend. Part 4. High retention and bingeable videos. The algorithm loves when people stick around. Videos with strong hooks, pattern breaks, and cliffhangers perform better. Example: storytelling videos, mini documentaries, series playlists. Tip: encourage binge watching. If you get people to watch 3 to 4 of your videos in a row, YouTube will push you to thousands more viewers. Part 5. Authority and niche videos. Videos that establish you as an authority in your niche are boosted. Why they blow up. The algorithm identifies channel topic consistency. Example: a fitness channel posting regular workouts is favored over a random mix. Tip: stay in your lane, double down on one style of content. And Part 6. Shareable and controversial videos. Polarizing or debate-driven topics often explode in views. Why they blow up. Comments plus watch time skyrocket. Example: Apple versus Android, shorts versus long form, or daily versus weekly uploads. Warning: use carefully. Don't create negativity, but spark conversation. So, what kind of videos blow up the algorithm? Evergreen how-tos, emotional triggers, trending hits, bingeable stories, authority-driven content, and even a little controversy. If you master just one of these, your channel can explode faster than you think. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this tutorial masterclass YouTube channel. Smash that like button and drop a comment below telling me which video type you think will blow up your channel next. Who knows, your comment might inspire my next tutorial. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.